If the saloon HVAC is noisy, check the compressor. It could be vibrating. Check the compressor mounts. If the mounts are loose, tighten them, and if they are worn out, replace them with new mounts. Check the suction gauge and the discharge gauge. If suction gauge is high and discharge gauge is low, the compressor is faulty. Replace the compressor. Check the discharge pressure. If discharge pressure is high, the system is overcharged, which could be the reason for rumbling noise in the system. In this case, reduce the discharge pressure and correct the system charge. Then check the suction gauge. If the suction gauge is low, there is excessive moisture in the system. In this case, replace the filter dryer. Then evacuate and charge the system. In case the HVAC continues to be noisy, check the fan motor fixing points. If they are loose, tighten them. Check the condenser fans. In case there is any sort of obstruction in the fan impellers, remove the obstruction. Finally, check the fan motor bearing and the fan shaft. If the motor bearings are defective or the fan shaft has end play, replace the motor.